Hey, this is Rusty Walker with NASRC. Today what we want to do is talk about the differences between HFC and CO2 in the display case and using electronic expansion valves. As you see here, I have a standard multi-deck display case that you'll see in any grocery store. Now, the cool thing is, I don't change the cases based on refrigerant. So with this particular case, you see that I have a CO2 electronic expansion valve. And when I'm using CO2, one of the advantages to CO2 is that I am going to have an electronic expansion via pulse or stepper. And the nice thing about that is I get better temperature control, tighter superheat control, better discharge air temperature control, and with the pulse valve, I can actually close that if I have a power outage, which is really a benefit. And then the other thing, in order to have an electronic expansion valve, I have to have a case controller. That case controller is either going to be located on the top or the bottom, and that's where all my temperature probes for control, my discharge air, my defrost termination, and so on, all probes are going to be tied there. Now, with that, with the case controller, I do have to Modbus and connect communications from case controller to case controller to case controller, and then I'm going to bring that Modbus and that communication back to my rack controller, so as a technician I'll be able to see how that is operating, but more importantly as an end user, I'm able to dial into that case controller and I'm able to look and see what the operation of that case is. I can look at the superheat, I can look at trends, I can monitor defrost. So all the information that I could possibly want to see, I can do that with an electronic expansion valve. One of the things about a mechanical, I can't dial into it, so I have no idea what he's doing, how he's controlling. So this is the beautiful thing, one of the best things about electronics. And as we move forward in electronics, we got to use and tap into whatever we have that makes our systems better and operate better.